Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of stunning home decor ideas by transforming firewood slices into unique wooden crafts that sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of woodworking lies not only in the precision of cuts or the elegance of design, but in the ability to see beyond the obvious, to look at a simple piece of wood and recognize the potential hidden within its curves, knots, and grains. And this vision becomes even more powerful when we embrace the idea of reclamation, taking something as humble and often overlooked as firewood slices and transforming them into functional, stylish, eco-conscious, and profitable works of art for the modern home, where sustainability meets creativity in a harmony that today's market craves. When you look at a slice of firewood, it may seem like nothing more than fuel for warmth, destined to burn away into ash. But when your imagination begins to see the concentric rings as natural art, the unique cracks as character, and the textures as patterns crafted by time itself, you begin to realize that each piece holds a story of growth, endurance, and resilience that can be preserved and given a second life. Not as disposable wood, but as decor that carries history into homes filled with warmth, style, and meaning. This is the essence of reclaimed beauty, seeing not waste, but opportunity, not imperfection, but uniqueness, and allowing those qualities to shape designs that inspire, function, and sell. Because in every knot there is character, in every grain there is movement, and in every irregular edge there is personality, something that machine-made objects could never replicate. By crafting with firewood slices, you are not just making decor, you are creating conversation pieces that tell a story of sustainability and artistry, where nature's fingerprints remain visible in every product, giving homeowners something authentic in a world saturated with mass-produced uniformity. Imagine a set of rustic coasters cut from firewood slices, their rings forming natural designs no human hand could replicate, each coaster different, yet part of the same tree's journey, adding charm and warmth to any living room table. Or envision a wall clock made from a large slice, the grains spiraling outward as time itself is measured by the life of the wood, offering not only function but poetic beauty that appeals to buyers who want something beyond ordinary decor. Every firewood slice can become a candle holder, a centerpiece, a wall hanging, a shelf, or even part of larger furniture projects, because their adaptability is as endless as your imagination. And when you merge design with sustainability, you tap into one of the strongest values driving today's consumer choices: eco-conscious living. People are increasingly seeking products that don't just look beautiful, but also reflect values of reuse, responsibility, and authenticity. And reclaimed firewood crafts offer all of this, while also giving makers an opportunity to build profitable ventures with relatively low investment. What makes firewood slices so powerful as a medium for crafting is that they are abundant, often discarded, and yet carry within them the timeless patterns of nature, patterns that no two slices will ever share, which makes every piece you create one of a kind. A rare trait that not only increases its artistic value, but also its market appeal, because people are drawn to uniqueness, to the sense of owning something that nobody else can have. This exclusivity, combined with the eco-friendly narrative of reclaimed wood, allows you to position your crafts as premium yet approachable, tapping into both the emotional and aesthetic desires of buyers who want to feel connected to nature while also decorating their homes in style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The act of turning firewood into decor is also a celebration of simplicity, showing that you don't need advanced machinery or vast workshops to create beauty, with patience, imagination, and a few essential tools. Even beginners can craft items that stand proudly as functional decor pieces, proving that artistry does not require perfection, but vision. Every small crack, every uneven edge, every shade in the grain becomes part of the charm, reminding us that imperfections are what make life and art beautiful. And these details resonate deeply with modern homeowners who want authenticity over artificial uniformity. By leaning into this philosophy, you not only craft items, but also create a narrative that elevates your work into more than just products. It becomes an experience, a lifestyle, a way of seeing the world differently. And this is what sells in today's market. Consumers don't just buy objects, they buy stories, and when you can tell them that their wall clock was once part of a tree that stood for decades, that their centerpiece carries the natural rings of time, or that their coasters came from reclaimed firewood that avoided waste, they feel a sense of connection and pride in their purchase, making them more loyal to your craft and more likely to spread the story to others. This word of mouth, rooted in genuine appreciation, becomes one of the most powerful marketing tools you could ever hope for, and it all begins with seeing firewood slices not as scraps, but as canvases. As an entrepreneur or DIY enthusiast, working with firewood slices gives you the flexibility to explore both small-scale creations that can be sold easily at markets, online shops, or as personalized gifts, and larger projects that cater to homeowners looking for statement decor, meaning your potential income streams are as varied as your designs. And in every project, the underlying foundation remains the same, using imagination to turn simplicity into beauty, beauty into function, and function into profit, all while staying aligned with the growing demand for sustainable, meaningful products. Crafting with reclaimed firewood is also deeply rewarding on a personal level, because as you sand, polish, or stain each slice, you are not just shaping wood but also shaping a new chapter for it, giving life where others saw only fuel, creating art where others saw only waste, and in doing so, you discover your own growth as a maker, artist, and entrepreneur. Over time, this practice not only strengthens your skills, but also enriches your connection with nature, reminding you with every grain and every knot that beauty is everywhere, waiting for someone to recognize it, appreciate it, and transform it into something valuable. This mindset is what elevates woodworking from a hobby into a meaningful craft and potentially into a thriving business, because people are increasingly willing to invest in items that carry depth, story, and sustainability alongside their visual appeal. In many ways, firewood slices embody the perfect blend of these qualities. They are humble yet extraordinary, simple yet complex, ordinary yet unique, and through your creativity, they can become treasures that brighten homes, inspire conversations, and generate income. Ultimately, reclaimed beauty is about shifting perspective, training your eyes to see not what something is, but what it can be, and when you begin to see every curve, knot, and grain of firewood slices as opportunities, you unlock a world of possibility where every piece becomes a reflection of nature's artistry enhanced by your imagination. And through this fusion of sustainability, creativity, and craftsmanship, you not only transform wood but also transform lives. Starting with your own S, you build a practice, a business, or even a legacy around creating decor that matters. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning home decor ideas by transforming firewood slices into unique wooden crafts that sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.